How's it going, YouTube? Biker Mike here. Welcome back to another how-to video. Today's how-to video is going to be on this new used Yamaha Kodiak 450 I bought. And in particular, the video is going to be on this differential lock switch. Now, the little problem I had with it was that this lever was really sticky and it actually got stuck in this position here, if you can see that, and it felt like it was almost going to break when I was trying to push it back over this way. So I've already fixed it, and I'm just going to take it apart and show you guys what I did to it to free it up so it moves back and forth nice and easy. If you're having this problem, you know what I mean. So yeah, let's get right into it. You're going to need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to take the 2 screw bolts out of the switch. So just take that one out, and there's another one down here. Just making sure you guys can see this. Right there. And the switch just comes right off like that. And you set those screws aside so you don't lose them. And then there's another screw in the back of it down in there. You just want to loosen that off and hold the switch upside down just like this so it all doesn't fall apart. So you don't want to you want to unscrew it all the way, but just kind of leave it in there so that the back side of the mechanism drops straight down into your hand like this. And then you can carefully set the switch side so you don't lose the screw in there. And you can see there's 2 little check balls, and they sit on 2 little springs. I'll just roll it out of the way. So you can see there's a spring in behind there. And that's basically how the switch works. Those check balls just check in and out of there. That's what you're feeling when you feel the switch lock in each position. So what happened was this was all really dry and dusty in there. So all I did was made sure the balls are in the right spot on those springs and just kind of rolled them out of the way first and just gave it a little tiny little spritz with WD-40 or any type of lubricating oil. That's really all you need to do, is just lubricate that so that those balls can do their job in there. And I put it back together and it worked fine. So I'm just going to get those back into position. Okay, so I'm just using this little hobby screwdriver to lift it back up into place there. And we'll go back over here and reassemble it. Things always don't go smooth out here in the Biker Mike shop, and I actually lost one of these ball bearings. It dropped down to Never Land. I don't know where it went. I had to remove the floorboard, and eventually I just kind of wiggled the plastic around and I saw it drop down to the floor. So luckily I found it, recovered it, and I'm gonna put it back together with a smaller screwdriver this time. So like I said, these are all lubed up with just a little bit of WD-40, and you just want to put it back into position without dropping it, and it should just pop right back into place in the right position. Just make note of the position of the switch when you disassemble it and put it back in the same spot. and then tighten up this screw while you're holding it together, and then just double check it, make sure it still works. There you go, just like that. So yeah, it's not always easy making these videos. Sometimes it creates more work for myself, like today. I already had it all fixed, but I thought I'd make a video and show you guys how to fix it so you'd know how if you run into the same problem. And it ended up costing me about half an hour, 45 minutes of just searching around for that little ball bearing. So if you appreciate this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And give the video a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you have this problem, give it a try, and it should cure the problem. It worked for me. It's working way better. Like, I honestly thought it was gonna break. It was so sticky before, but now it just slides back and forth like butter, just the way it should. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Biker Mike out.